YouTube? This is Easy Tech here with another video. Welcome to a new season for Easy Tech videos. I know some of you guys think that I was actually slacking at making videos, but in reality I didn't have the time to make videos. My work schedule was really tight, so hopefully from now on I can start making videos at least once a week, just like I was doing it before. So to apologize about not having the time to make videos, I'm actually doing a giveaway. This time I'm actually giving away a free pair of Apple AirPods. These are actually my AirPods, so you're not getting this. You're getting a brand new box of Apple AirPods, sealed, brand new, unopened. So the giveaway is simple. The winner is going to be picked when the channel hits 1,000 subscribers. Right now we are at 633 subscribers. So the amount left to hit 1,000 subscribers is 367 subscribers. So you do want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. So there are two simple steps to enter this giveaway. The first one is subscribe to the channel, because you do want to make sure that the channel hits 1,000 subscribers to pick the winner. Then the second step is easier. All you have to do is click on the gimmeit.com link down below in the description. It's highlighted as the second step. There you're going to provide your name and your email. Don't forget to go to that Gimme link down below in the description, because that's where the winner is going to be picked from. Gimmeit.com is going to pick a random winner, but you do have to provide your name and your email in order to do so. Guys, this is pretty much it for this video. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you follow the link to the second step, which is the gimmeit.com site. I wish you all good luck, and as always, catch me in the next video.